Hi, welcome to Live DIY. I am Blake at the hangar, and I am set up in front of these bins and shelves because I need all this stuff labeled, and I have just the tool to do it. Today we'll be reviewing the Brother PTE510VP Handheld Industrial Thermal Transfer Printer. Now the VP stands for Value Pack because this came with 5 cartridges, a carrying case, a replacement lithium ion battery. Just in here, this pops out. You can recharge this with USB-C, although you can't charge it while it's in use. I don't know if you can see the light, but when I turn it on, it turns off. It makes a little noise to set up. Let me turn it off. Give it a second. And it starts charging. Now this prints on TZE laminated tape, as well as HSE heat shrink tube, which sounds amazing. So it prints directly on heat shrink tubing. 3-to-1 heat, that looks like more than 3-to-1. But anyways, now it prints on massive, if I can get this, look at that. That's almost an inch wide tape. A great feature that I love is how they made easy to peel labels. It can half cut or slice just through the front. You see that? Right, just through the front or just through the back, making peeling a lot faster and with less mess. A common question is, do these labels last a long time? The tape is laminated, which means the text is sandwiched between 2 layers of film, which makes it waterproof, chemical proof, and what is it, rated to 150 degrees Celsius. Now this is in contrast to thermal direct printers. Now remember, this is thermal transfer printing. Thermal direct printing will be on a device like this, something that you would make labels for your packages or something. It's not permanent, it will fade, and it doesn't really have any protection at all. The great benefit of these direct thermal printing is there's no cartridges. The paper itself is the source of the ink. All right, so let's give it a test now. I'm going to show you how it prints. I'll just make a nice label here. Let me get you a nice close-up of how it prints. It just falls right on the ground. So we're going to split it open in the back and just peel it off. Now it makes a little bit of extra tape right here, and that is okay because it actually peels off as well. Okay, so I'm going to put this label right here. Now this is permanent marker. It's just a Sharpie, and I'm going to go ahead and grab this 99% isopropanol. Isopropanol. Just going to get a little on this towel here, and then we'll see what it does. Now it should wipe off the permanent marker pretty easily. Yeah, and that's what I usually use. And it doesn't do anything to this label. According to Brother's website, which I haven't downloaded it yet, you can connect this labeler to a computer and you can print custom labels from a free download of PTouch Editor software for USB-C computer printing. Now, this supposedly allows for higher resolution prints printing from a spreadsheet or a CSV file. Now I'll just go ahead and do a quick install and see if I can get something interesting to print. Okay, search by product. I thought we were already there. I'm going to go back. Editor, download software. Oh my gosh, it takes you nowhere. Okay, this is working really well. Downloads. Okay. P touch. Okay, this is going really well. I'm going to start again. Okay. I saw when I looked it up that you can just look up P-Touch software. Let me get it here. Okay. P-Touch, so you can actually see how frustrated I get. Okay. Resources. P-Touch label editor software. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't know how to actually get it. Download P-Touch Editor 6. Oh no. Okay, product search. P-Touch. P-Touch PC. Model discontinued. Okay, well, how about editor? I think this would be it would be right on the front page. So how do we download this thing? Product search. Okay, well, I'm not going to sit here for the rest of the day trying to figure this out because I feel like that's where this is going. So let's just move on. How about we just wrap up here, and I'm going to make another video maybe some other time if I was able to ever get this to work, find out where I can download it. Maybe you guys watching it can see where the download button was because I didn't see that. So that's going to be enough for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned next week where we're going to be looking at this crimping tool to repair an Ethernet cable that accidentally got cut. See you.